Allu Arjun has been sent to 14-day custody. This is shocking and huge at this point. None expected that Allu Arjun may not have gotten relief, and that's precisely what's happened here. It appears that the court has sent him to 14-day custody, which means Allu Arjun will have to stay in prison. Now, is this judicial custody or police custody is something we've got to establish, but Apurva is also with us. Apurva, please give us more clarity on the court verdict right now. We hear that Allu Arjun has been sent to 14-day custody. Judicial custody, is that right? All right, Apurva, we're going to try and patch our line, but huge development coming in and a massive setback to superstar Allu Arjun. He's been sent to 14-day judicial custody by the Telangana High Court. This is, of course, shocking. He's been accused of culpable homicide not amounting to murder, directly blamed for negligence in the case where a stampede led to 35-year-old Revati's death. In fact, the stampede happened at a theatre which was airing and screening his film Pushpa 2's a special screening that was being held where people thronged to see Allu Arjun. Of course, apart from those who had booked their tickets much in advance to come there and watch the film. But with Allu Arjun arriving at the theatre, that led to unruly crowds, mismanagement, and a stampede that eventually led to one woman getting killed. Her son, 10-year-old son, is still critically ill and receiving treatment at the hospital. Allu Arjun had put out a message expressing regret of what had happened, and he's also extended help of 25 lakhs, financial help to the family of the deceased. But here you have the Telangana court, we hear, not sparing. Allu Arjun has been sent to 14-day judicial custody. As shocking as it is, Apurva gives us more details on that. Apurva, do elaborate. We hear 14-day judicial custody to Allu Arjun.
Well, you know what we are, we have already seen how, the FIR had been registered under non-bailable sections, and that's what, Allu Arjun's legal team is also arguing at the Nampalli court, and it looks like likely there is 14 days, remand that will be issued for Allu Arjun, and what we are hearing is that, in this case, it is a non-bailable sections against which Allu Arjun has, his name has been registered in the FIR, him and his legal team. In fact, his legal team at the court, they are also argued, citing that while there had been arguments made that there hadn't been prior notices that had been issued. In fact, his legal team says that they had gone ahead and issued notices to the police as well, saying that Allu Arjun, his family and team will be coming to watch Pushpa on that day when the stampede had taken place. They had requested for additional security. That's what his legal team has also argued there, showing that letter. Remember, this important notice that has now come out also shows that the Santya Theatre management also issued a letter to the police, Telangana police, requesting for additional security to be provided given the condition that Allu Arjun, his family and the team for Pushpa 2 cast will be arriving there at the Santya Theatres on the day that there was the pre-show that had been booked.
Which is why it's absolutely shocking. Which is why it's absolutely shocking that Allu Arjun has been sent to 14-day judicial custody, as now there's a letter that surfaced that clearly shows and suggests that Sandhya Theatre had already asked for police bandobast 2 days before that special screening at the theatre when Allu Arjun arrived. And in fact, the request to the police was exactly that. We need additional police bandobast because Allu Arjun and the star cast basically saying the hero, heroine and the team will be arriving to watch the film. There could be fan frenzy, so we need additional police deployment. That letter very clearly exposes how a letter was shot off to the Telangana police, which now they claim they are not aware of. But we were hoping that the Telangana court would, of course, take note of this, but not. Allu Arjun has been sent to 14-day judicial custody. Revanth Reddy is speaking on this. Listen in.
Sir, please.
Sir,
what is your comment on Allu Arjun?
Allu Arjun, please.
पता कर लेके बोलता हूँ
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Sir, but BJP is blaming the Congress. BJP is blaming.
Sir, please.
चल
Sir, what is your comment on Allu Arjun?
Allu Arjun, please.
पता कर लेके बोलता हूँ
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Sir, but
All right. Well, you have Revant Reddy who says that he's yet to seek information on what happened really. But it's highly impossible that Revant Reddy is not privy to the developments. Telangana police who's arrested Allu Arjun. In fact, they swooped into his house earlier in the day. They walked in straight to his bedroom, did not allow him to complete his breakfast. They walked with him to the bedroom until he actually changed from a green quad set to this sweatshirt, the hoodie that he wore. Accompanied him all the way to the police station. Right from his bedroom to the police station, the cops have been following him and Allu Arjun.
ఈ రిమాండ్ అనేది ఇల్లీగల్, రిమాండ్ రిటర్న్ చేయని ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ నడుస్తా ఉన్నాయి. ఎస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Reactions of the lawyers there, advocates who've been fighting this case. Allu Arjun's team, of course, his judicial team have been asking, his legal team there have been asking for relief.